fresh watermelons begin their journey, from the farm to a modern processing facility. Each melon is carefully collected and transported for inspection and processing. At the plant, the real transformation begins as the melons enter the production line. The first step is a thorough cleaning process that prepares every melon for production.
Water and rotating brushes remove dust and surface debris from every watermelon.
Advanced inspection systems check each watermelon before it moves to the next stage.
Once opened, the vibrant red fruit inside is ready for the next stage of extraction.
The fresh fruit is collected and transferred directly into the juice extraction system.
Powerful processing equipment separates the fresh juice and pulp into a smooth mixture.
The extracted watermelon juice now flows through the plant in a continuous process. The juice moves through controlled filtration to create a smooth and consistent texture.
Automated controls monitor the process and help maintain reliable quality from batch to batch. Automated controls monitor the process and help maintain reliable quality from batch to batch.
Quality checks help ensure that every batch meets the plant's production standards.
After final processing, the finished juice is ready to move into the packaging stage. Automated filling systems measure and fill each bottle with consistent precision. Every bottle is securely sealed before receiving its final presentation. The finished bottles are labeled and prepared for delivery to stores and customers.
Automated systems organize the finished bottles into secure packages for transport.